In this video, I'll show you how to improve your website scrolling experience from this to this. If you are scrolling your website by default like other websites, then time to add this free plugin on your website to look more professional. In this video, we'll use the free WordPress plugin to add the smooth scroll effect on your website. Yes, that's absolutely free. Wait. Before starting this video, I want to tell you that if you want us on your WordPress project or any website project, then you can contact us through our website, that's DCreato.com, or you can contact through the link given in the description below. We are a team of developers who will try our best to create your website successfully. So now without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here is our website by default scrolling. As you can see here, if I'm just scrolling down, you can see this scrolling is just blocking, and after then scrolling, so it's not smooth. In the simple words, it's not smooth, like it is showing in 30 Hz and we'll be installing 120 Hz like that. Just kidding. So let's add the free plugin, then we will see that how these things works. Okay, now go to the WordPress. Here is your WordPress dashboard, then go to this add new, click on this add new button, then search here smooth scroll. Here you can see that this is the loading. So here you go, this is the mouse wheel smooth scroll. This is the plugin we will be using for this video. So then I am already installed this, so that's why it is showing activate. So for yourself you have to install it just like this. You will see this install now button, so you have to just click on install now, then it will be showing this activate button. So I'm activating this. Just after one click, only single one click, you will see, if I'm just reloading this, refresh this page, you will see just one single click. I don't do any settings and anything, I did not do anything, just only one click, you will see this smooth scroll effect in your website. Is not it cool? We will be playing with the settings, that how you can improve the scrolling effect and everything. And you can see that the only one click, every pages, in the every pages also, this is the home page. As usual, on the recipes page, this about page, in the every pages the smooth scrolling effect is coming. That's so nice, thanks to the developer who made this plugin. And here we go, this all pages is now perfectly working with the scrolling effect. So go to the plugin section and let's see how we can do the settings changes and everything. And here we will get this the plugin options. You will see the settings of icon also, you can click here also, and from the settings hover on settings and you will get the smooth scroll effect also. Again you can open this from here also. So here, as you can see there, this is the frame rate, this is the animation time and step size. So you can play around with these settings, and as per your requirements you can add this. So here is showing that this is 150. So let's say if you made it to 200, and animation framing if you made it to 1000 to 1500, and let's say if I click on this save, then go to our website, and if I just refresh our page, if I just scroll down, you can see I just little bit scrolling, and you can see that the website is just scrolling down fast, very fast. So this is how you can create this effect. And if you want that, you want your website shows just little bit scrolling and then the website scroll very slow, so you can do the result. If you have to write 100, and here if you do like only 500, let's say, if I click on this save and then refresh this page, if I scroll down, you can see I have scrolled a long, but this website is just so little bit slowly scrolling. So you can also do this. So you can play around with these settings to as per your requirements. And here you go with our website, that how much smooth scrolling. So I will go with our default, that 150, and here is your 1000, and save. Now the smooth scrolling is again come back, and here you can see that the smooth scrolling is now just applicable with our website. So as you can see here, this is the website is so awesome, right? So you can make this also by yourself, right? Absolutely, you heard the right. You can also make this by yourself. In the last video we made this website from this premier template. So if you want to create your own website from yourself, restaurant website, so you can watch this tutorial. I will put the video link in the description, as also here is showing on iCard. You can view from here. If you are facing any issue to create this awesome smooth scrolling effect, you can also comment down below. I don't think that there will be also you are facing any problem. So just in single click you will get this effect. So if this video is helpful for you, then please hit the like button, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon for the first notification. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next video.